नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN डॉक्टर धर्मेंद्र आहूजा, प्रोफेसर एंड डायरेक्टर फैकल्टी ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. टुडे माय टॉपिक इज डाइसल्फिराम. Do you know what is disulfiram? Disulfiram is a drug which is used. It is a unique drug which is used by uh, physicians to prevent a person from alcohol dependence. Okay, so if any person is very much dependent on alcohol, so to prevent the person from that alcohol dependence, or to uh, get that habit quitted, uh, physicians usually give this disulfiram to patients. Now we will see what are their mechanism of action, what are its harmful effects. It is a unique single drug of its category. As we have studied already alcohol, so now this is also in your syllabus, disulfiram. So first of all, we will see its nature. It's a synthetic drug. Secondly, we will see its mechanism of action. Actually, the mechanism of action of disulfiram is, it is a alcohol dehydrogenase inhibitor. It is a alcohol dehydrogenase inhibitor. Students, or we can say it is a dehydrogenase inhibitor. So students, when we have seen in our I will correct, simply it is a dehydrogenase inhibitor. Okay, now we will see in the metabolism what we have seen. Metabolism of alcohol, what we have seen, whenever we take alcohol, it gets converted to aldehyde. Then after dehydrogenase action, the aldehyde gets converted to acid and gets excreted. Now this is particularly acting on the dehydrogenase of acetaldehyde part. So whenever we take this drug, after taking alcohol, if suppose a patient is habituated to alcohol, so he is taking alcohol, when we will give this drug to the patient, the drug will prevent its metabolism. How? By preventing acetaldehyde dehydrogenation. So as we know, when we take alcohol, it gets converted to aldehyde, then acid, then carbon dioxide and water. Now when we will take this drug with alcohol to a patient, we will give this drug who is taking alcohol. So this drug will prevent acetaldehyde conversion to acid. Now this prevention of conversion of acetaldehyde to acid will cause accumulation of acetaldehyde, and which cause different symptoms which may prevent the person from further taking alcohol. Now we will see what are the symptoms when we take this drug. What are the symptoms occur to the patient? Just 1 minute. What are the symptoms occur to a patient? So symptoms like whenever we are giving this drug to a patient, to an alcohol habituant, this drug will cause accumulation of acetaldehyde. Now this acetaldehyde accumulation symptom will be flushing, throbbing headache, high sensation, flushing, throbbing headache, high sensation, means patient is getting flushed, patient is having throbbing headache, So whenever the patient will take this drug, he will feel throbbing headache and flushing, high sensation. So he will try to avoid drinking of alcohol. So this is the mechanism, and this was the effects of disulfiram. Now we will see what are the uses of this drug, and how it should be used, or therapeutic management of this drug. So uses, its major use is to prevent a person from alcohol dependence. Okay, to prevent a person from alcohol dependence. Now second is what are the treatment management techniques. So treatment management, actually alcohol dependence is of two types. One is just a habituation or psychological dependence, and second is physical dependence. In case of psychological dependence, if a alcohol person wants to take alcohol regularly, but in physical dependence, if a patient is unable to take alcohol, he may show withdrawal symptom like very extreme physical actions he will show. So this drug is advisable for the person who is having psychological dependence. If the case is of physical dependence is there, we should not give, because this drug itself is causing very much unease to patient. Now suppose we are giving to a physical dependent person this drug, so he will feel so much unease and he may go to a very much high depressive level. So we used to give this drug the person who is not so much dependent or physical dependent to alcohol, who is just a psychological dependent person. We will give this drug to patient. So students, we will once again summarize. Today we have studied disulfiram. Disulfiram is a drug which is used to given to a patient to